Einstein theory is about the structures of things, and not about the nature of things, or structures of things, and not about the nature of things. And one obvious point to make here is that Einstein's theory of relativity, I think he's talking about relativity here, is not an isolated theory. It works in the context of other theories within physics. So it is part of the discipline of physics. So even if it talks only about the structures of things, doesn't mean that it doesn't presuppose the views about nature of things as propounded in classical physics, for example. Even if it, updates some of those views, it surely presupposes a lot of those views. So even if it is a structural theory, doesn't mean that it doesn't have any views about the nature of things. Okay, so that's the one thing. Beyond that, I think even on its own, it's not correct to say that it's just a structural theory. But for sure, there are many structural elements in the theory. And by structure, obviously, among other things, we mean relationships. The relationship between space, time, motion, matter, for example. So that's clearly something structural. And there are other structural elements. But there are other things which point to nature of thing, or more than structure. For example, E is equal to mc2. That's about the structure of, not just about the structure, but about the nature of matter. There's a relationship between energy and matter here. There's a relationship between mass and energy, which obviously has implication for the relationship between matter and energy, and then implications about the nature of. Similarly, time contraction, bending of the law by gravity, all these things which are predicted by the theory point to the nature of things, at least at some level. So it doesn't seem to me that it's correct to say that Einstein theory is just about the structure of things. But maybe he is talking about something else. We'll see. I think we should stop here. I would have liked to go on, but